A 19-year-old company, Omnitech Engineering, that grew its order book 5 times in just 6 months, is coming up with its IPO. It opens on 25th February and closes on 27th February 2026 with a price band set between 216 and 227 rupees. Omnitech manufactures high-precision engineered components and assemblies, the parts used in safety-critical applications across industries like energy, industry equipment systems, motion control, and automation. Today, it operates 3 manufacturing facilities in Gujarat. Some strengths of the company are, first, their global client base is of over 256 customers across 24 countries. And second, the order book has grown 5x from 284 crore rupees in March 2025 to 1,765 crore rupees as of September 2025. However, there are risks. Number 1, 56% of its revenue comes from its top 10 customers. And number 2, additional tariffs from the US could affect its business materially. Coming to the financials, revenue nearly doubled, growing 93% from 178 crore rupees in FY24 to 343 crore rupees in FY25. Moreover, in just the first half of FY26, the company has already clocked 228 crore rupees in revenue. PAT also jumped sharply from 19 crore rupees in FY24 to 44 crore rupees in FY25, a growth of 132%. Looking at the valuations based on half-yearly annualized EPS, the stock trades at a PE multiple of 50, while its listed peers like Azad Engineering, Dynamatic Technologies, MTAR Technologies, and PTC Industries are trading at an annualized EPS of 85, 258, 172, and 485 respectively. The IPO is a mix of fresh issue and an offer for sale with a total issue size of 583 crore rupees. The proceeds will be used to set up 2 new manufacturing facilities and repay existing debt. And that's about it. Let us know in the comments if you are subscribing for this IPO.